and this here your type driver. This here model drivers. This here your type for driver to load. And please why I'm search the official website for you. And this here the official website. Click here. I am like download official website. This official website driver update support and driver not a virus and first download. And this here the system three operating system for the Windows, for the Mac, and for the Linux. Okay, this here the for Linux. Click here for Linux, and this here the operating system version for Linux, and you looking the that release update for Linux and new release update, and this here the driver. Okay, I am now checking for the Mac. Click the Mac operating system, and this here the version operating system. So click here. This here the four operating system for the Mac 12 and Mac 11, and new driver, new operating system for Mac uh for Mac operating system, and I'm testing for this like Mac 12, Mac 11, and Mac 12, and this here the you looking that release update for the new that release, and this here the scanner printing and driver printing and fake printing. This here compatible for the printer uh, and the printer chain for the Mac, for the fake, and for the scan, not package for the driver. Okay, I'm checking for the Windows. Click here the Windows, and this here the operating system version. Click here. This here the for March operating system. This here operating system for Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 7, and Windows Server. Not support driver for Windows Vista and Windows XP. This video I need download driver Windows 11. You click here the driver Windows 11 and click here. Select here Windows 11. You looking this here the Windows 11 and update new update for Windows 11, and this here gonna reach plus driver print and the minus driver print not the include package. If you download one by one for the driver, so insert package, not the package driver, your download one by one driver, and this here the driver printer and driver fake, and this here the driver maybe scanner printer printer version same, and not for the scanner, maybe driver printer include for the scanner. Okay, I am testing here for the Canary Plus driver, printer driver. Click here and please wait. Loading. This here the about the driver. Canon develop generic plus driver is a Canon driver. The sport multi Canon driver. It provides an optimal user interface for your driver. This here the system setup instruction for the or the setup tutorial driver. Your you connect the USB for the laptop or PC, and after I am instruction for you, and this here the fill information. If you need to download the driver, click here. This here the download and button download show. If you not click here, button download not show. Okay, click here and download show and click download, and please wait website driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB, you put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please wait the driver download, and you run as driver for automatic the cable printer, and please wait and search the official website for you, and this here the official website. Click here. I am like download official website. This official website driver update sport and driver not a virus, and first download, and this here the system three operating system for the Windows, for the Mac, and for the Linux. Okay, this here the for Linux. Click here for Linux, and this here the operating system version for Linux, and you looking the that release update for Linux and new release update, and this here the driver. Okay,